What is up, you guys? It's your girl Nugget. I'm saying I'm back again another video. This is the first time you see my face on your screen. Make sure you guys give this video a like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Check out my previous videos if you have not seen them. So I wanted to do a makeup video since I haven't done a makeup video in a minute. I feel like, okay, maybe this is a little better to put the lighting. Hang on. Technical difficulties, y'all. As I was saying, I want to do a makeup video. I hate the way my eyebrows look, man, because I already pretty much did my face. I just need to do the eyes and put blush, highlighter, all that stuff. But man, and yeah, I'm breaking out, as you can see, so I don't like how my face is looking. I feel like my face looks swell right here a little bit. Unfortunately, maybe I should just, let me lower this down, because I am running my playlist to get my watch time hours up. If you guys want to help out in that too, I have playlists on my channel. You can click on any one, just let it run. My watch time hours are going down again, and I don't like that. I hate when that happens. But anyways, I'm gonna be creating like a summer type of look. So I'm gonna be using like orangey shades and stuff. So I'm gonna dive into my Glam Light X Michael Myers Halloween 2 palette. This is more of a fall palette, but it has some orangey shades in here that I can use. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm using this double and brush back then. Alright, I forgot to put the concealer on my eyes. We're gonna redo that. Sometimes I rush into these too quickly. Kind of blend it out. Should be done now. Not gonna be doing anything too crazy, It's gonna be like a simple look, pretty much. I did not fix this hair properly. And I haven't dipped into this palette in a minute, so I'm just like, let me just use this palette. Okay, let me drag this color over to here. So look how gorgeous that orange is. Look at that. So pretty. I haven't bought anything from Glam Light in a long time. I haven't bought new makeup in general in a minute. I miss buying new makeup, low key. That is so pretty. I like to pack on more sometimes, because it's just so blinding. Okay, let me use the lighter orange in the corner. Wow. so crisp. You just hear them? So, there's a little bit up here too. It's like a little sunset type of look. So, yeah. So, like I said, it's gonna be simple, straightforward. So, I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye now. Alright, so it is done. Like I said, quick, easy look to do. Close this. Quick, easy. Just use one brush. Okay, so for blush, I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. What is it called? Coral Crush. So I'm gonna be using a liquid blush. And then if you're wondering what I'm using for foundation, it's a Maybelline Fit Me, and I just put like the Anastasia foundation stick as concealer. And then eyebrows are like the Shop Miss A pomade eyebrow thing that I use. And then bronzer is the NYX Buttermilk bronzer that I tend to use a lot. I don't know, for some reason I thought this blush would look good with this, but I don't think so. Maybe I should do like a pink vibe with this, but it's okay. Okay. Highlighter, I'm gonna use, everything always falls when I'm recording. Highlighter, I'm gonna use my I Heart Revolution Tasty Strawberry highlighter. This highlighter, if you wanted to show up more pigmented, I would say like wet your brush. I don't know if they still sell this, by the way, because this I got years ago. So for those of y'all that I know, when I used to heavily talk about and show I Heart Revolution products, y'all know how old this is. Mascara, Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Love it, hands down. Ow. Okay. Let me take it easy. let's do that flick move because it brings your lashes out more. Little trick for you guys. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the lips. So I'm gonna see how this works here because I'm gonna do me to lip liner for my Bratz X Glam Light collab, and then I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Baby Brit Butte. So let me see how this works. I feel like my top lip. See, I feel like I put too much on this side again. But I don't know. What do you guys think? I didn't want to do it too light of an eye look for this. You know? Not eye look. I didn't want to do too light of a lip look for this, so. But yeah, I'm not gonna add any lashes, so I think it's like a really nice little sun-kissed little look, little summery look. My eyebrows looked it. I wish my eyebrows looked way better than this. This hair, I might just rock my natural hair for a little bit. I don't know, or do some crochet braids again. But yeah, you guys, so let me know what y'all think. So hope you guys enjoyed this little makeup video. I do have some other videos coming. I know someone asked for Juicy Couture Digi in my collection. I will do that, and I'll also do like a full Juicy Couture collection bag video. I think it would be like part 6 technically for me, so just stay tuned for that. I try to record as much as I can. You know, sometimes I don't know, me in mood to record something, but a lot of times when I do feel like recording, I will pre-record some videos sometimes. Who knows? But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye. Oh, I took off my nails, by the way, because those nails were very annoying, y'all. So annoying. And like my finger had turned green too. It's slowly going away, which is good. So I haven't been putting on nails for a while, but for a couple of days. I mean, what the hell? What is that? Oh, some of the eyeshadow got there. Okay. But yeah, anyways, bye.